Hello, everyone. I am working on Valentine projects right now, and I want to update this sign. It says love and wine, better with time. I think I can upgrade this with more bright Valentine colors. I hope that you will join me for this transformation. The first thing I want to do is cover this with white chalk paint. I think the chalk paint will disguise all the dark coloring since I'm using lighter and brighter colors. I will just start here. Here is my sign. I end up putting 2 coats of the chalk paint on here, and I painted it all the way around. I was thinking about cutting this right here, getting rid of the bottle, but I found a solution for that, so I'm going to keep that. What I want to do now is outline the letters, and I have this pink paint pen. So I just want to go on the outside, and then maybe on the inside too. Let me see. this is what I have now. See there? I went ahead and colored in the whole bottle, that silhouette. I want to put something there, and I was thinking about putting a heart there like this to disguise that bottle. I have this pink one. I have a red one. You see there? It's kind of nice, right? I also have like a multicolored one. It's kind of nice. Which one do I want? Oh, I have a fuchsia colored one. Look. That one might be nice right there. The dark color instead of the light. But I like that one too. Let me try one more time. I think I like this one better. So we'll go with that one. And I just need to glue that down. Let's see, it's probably better to put the glue on the bottle. And then attach the heart. See there? Like that. This way, I'm disguising that bottle in the back. That's kind of nice, right? I know we can still see a little bit right here, but I think this will be just fine, like that. And then I want to write something right here. So I grab my poetry books. I found these at Dollar Tree a few years back, so I've had them in my library for a moment now. And I was looking through here, and I put some bookmarks in here. So here's one. It says, "I'm much more me when I'm with you." Kind of cute, right? And then there's this one, but it's quite long. I mean, I would have to write it really small. Let's see. I might use that in a different project, though. Let's see. Oh, I love this poem, too. It's by Jane Austen. "You pierce my soul. I am half agony, half hope. I have loved none but you." I've used that one already in a different project. Take a look at all my Valentine projects and you'll see where I use it. This one's kind of nice too. Look, "I love you exactly as you are." And then, oh, this one too. "You have bewitched me body and soul, and I love you." It's from a Jane Austen film, of Pride and Prejudice. So there's that one. And then from this book, oh, here we go. "Nobody has ever measured, not even poets, how much the heart can hold." That was kind of nice. I wonder if I can fit that in here. I think it's kind of long though. I would have to write really small. "I love thee to the depth and breadth and height my soul can reach." By Elizabeth Barrett Browning. The more I think it over, the more I feel that there is nothing more truly artistic than to love people. Vincent van Gogh. see, I think that's it for that one. Oh, did I look in this one? I don't remember. No. Oh, did I put any bookmarks? Here we go. If I knew what love is, it is because of you. That is kind of cute too, right? I could fit that in there. Isn't that cute? Okay, wait, hold on. Let me grab a paper. So I would have to write it in here. I have to make it fit in here. If I know what love is, it is because of you. It'll fit, look. Wait, I would need a bigger marker. A Sharpie. Let's see. If I know what love is, it is because of you. Oh, it'll fit, wouldn't it? Let's try it. If I mess it up, I will scrape it off and start all over. Well, that turned out really, really well, didn't it? I like it. I love it. If I know what love is, it is because of you. It makes you want to make more love project, doesn't it? Well, I hope you like my new love sign. Create a love sign for yourself and write a pretty poem under there. You know, take a look at your library. You probably have something in there already, or a book you read before. There is something in there. I'm pretty sure that you just fell in love with it when you saw it. Now, I do need to do one thing. Since I'm borrowing this poem, it's from Hermaine Hesse, I think so I'm just going to put that name right here on the bottom. The chalk paint, when you're writing on it, you have to be careful. Because these markers, it will not slide like it normally does when you're writing on a paper. So just be careful. Do not drag your ink. But look at that. I love it. Well, thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.